Welcome to our video on the top 5 best flip phones of 2025. Flip phones combine nostalgia with modern tech, offering sleek designs, powerful features, and compact portability. Choosing the perfect one depends on display quality, battery life, and durability. Whether you want a premium foldable or a budget-friendly option, we've got you covered. With so many options, picking the right flip phone can be overwhelming. But don't worry, we've done the hard work for you. Each model on our list was carefully selected based on expert reviews, customer feedback, and real-world performance. Stick around to find out which flip phone is perfect for you. And don't forget to check the description for links and more details. Now let's dive in. Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6. The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6 is a true marvel in the world of foldable smartphones. With a lighter and more compact design, it offers a modern, slim profile that's perfect for those seeking portability without sacrificing performance. The sleek aesthetics are complemented by cutting-edge technology, making it a standout choice for 2025. Thanks to Galaxy AI, conversations in another language become effortless with the innovative interpreter feature. Whether you're traveling or communicating with someone across the globe, the Galaxy Z Flip 6 makes language barriers a thing of the past. The phone boasts an impressive 2640 by 1080 resolution, delivering vibrant and clear visuals, while video recording reaches Ultra HD 4K at 60 FPS, ensuring high-quality footage. A major upgrade comes in the form of its first 50 megapixels camera, paired with a 12 megapixels secondary sensor, capturing stunning photos and videos in any lighting. The Z Flip 6 also excels in performance, featuring a robust 4000 mAh battery that keeps you going throughout the day. With 12GB of RAM and storage options of 256GB or 512GB, it offers ample space for your apps, media, and files. The phone's durability is enhanced, with improved dust resistance and overall sturdiness. With a starting price of $1,099.99, the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6 is the perfect blend of luxury, performance, and innovative design, making it a must-have for tech enthusiasts in 2025. Xiaomi Mix Flip. The Xiaomi Mix Flip is a stunning piece of technology that redefines the foldable smartphone experience. With a compact dual-link hinge, this device is lightweight, thin, and designed for portability without compromising on performance. Its matte finish and engraved Leica silkscreen print add a touch of elegance, making it a true premium offering. The 4.01-inch all-around liquid outer display is protected by Xiaomi Shield Glass, ensuring durability while providing crisp and vibrant visuals at your fingertips. Powered by Xiaomi's HyperOS, the Mix Flip delivers smooth and efficient performance, making multitasking and navigation a breeze. Photography enthusiasts will appreciate the all-new multi-angle hover photography capabilities, offering a unique perspective for capturing stunning shots. The Xiaomi Mix Flip also houses dual 50 megapixels Leica cameras, including the main sensor and a floating telephoto lens, which ensures exceptional image quality for both close-ups and distant shots. Under the hood, the Xiaomi Mix Flip is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 mobile platform, ensuring fast and efficient performance for gaming, multitasking, and demanding applications. The 4780 mAh Xiaomi Surge battery provides long-lasting power, while the 67 watts hypercharge technology ensures you can quickly recharge and stay connected throughout the day. At a starting price of $899, the Xiaomi Mix Flip offers an unbeatable combination of style, performance, and cutting-edge technology, making it a must-have for those looking to stay ahead of the curve. Motorola Razr 50 Ultra. The Motorola Razr 50 Ultra is a remarkable combination of classic design and modern technology, offering a premium foldable experience at an affordable price. The 6.9-inch Full HD plus POLED main display provides vibrant, lifelike visuals, perfect for watching videos, gaming, and multitasking. The 4.0-inch external POLED display lets you access notifications, control music, and more, all without unfolding the phone. Powered by the Snapdragon 8S Gen 3 mobile platform and running on Android 14, the Razr 50 Ultra promises fast performance and smooth multitasking. With 12GB of LPDDR5X RAM and 512GB of built-in UFS 4.0 storage, it provides ample space for your apps, photos, and videos while ensuring seamless performance. The camera setup includes a 50 megapixels main sensor and a 50 megapixels telephoto lens, capturing sharp, detailed photos in any setting. The side fingerprint reader and face unlock offer convenient security, keeping your device safe yet easily accessible. Equipped with a 4000 mAh battery, the Razr 50 Ultra ensures all-day performance. If you need a quick power boost, Turbo Power 45 watts charging can deliver a full day's worth of power in just 12 minutes, while 15 watts wireless charging keeps you powered up on the go. The dual stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos and Qualcomm Snapdragon sound enhance your audio experience, making entertainment on this device truly immersive. At just $769, the Motorola Razr 50 Ultra offers incredible value for its cutting-edge features and stunning design. Nubia Flip 5G. The Nubia Flip 5G is a pocket-sized foldable marvel that combines cutting-edge technology with a sleek modern design. It folds seamlessly, with a wrinkle-free open display that offers an impressive 6.9-inch 120Hz AMOLED screen, ensuring smooth scrolling and vibrant visuals whether you're watching content or browsing the web. Designed for durability, the Nubia Flip 5G features a high-strength hinge and flexible screen, battle-tested for over 200,000 folds. This makes it not only a stylish choice but also a reliable one for everyday use. The camera setup includes a 50 megapixels AI dual camera system, perfect for capturing stunning photos, while the 16 megapixels front camera ensures crystal clear selfies. Powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Gen 1 processor, this phone delivers smooth performance, even for demanding apps and multitasking. With 8GB of RAM and 256GB of storage, or the option to upgrade to 12GB of RAM and 512GB of storage, the Nubia Flip 5G offers plenty of space and speed for all your needs. The 4310 mAh battery ensures you can stay connected all day, and with 33 watts fast charging, you won't have to wait long to recharge. At an affordable price of $499, the Nubia Flip 5G offers incredible value for anyone looking to experience the foldable smartphone revolution without breaking the bank. Blackview Hero 10. The Blackview Hero 10 is a premium foldable smartphone that combines luxury with cutting-edge technology. Wrapped in a slim layer of vegan leather and featuring aerospace-grade aluminum alloy frames with a refined texture, it offers a soft tactile sensation with every touch while exuding grace and elegance with each flip. The device boasts a stunning 6.9-inch foldable 2.5K AMOLED display that delivers crisp and vibrant visuals, perfect for streaming, gaming, or browsing. The smart cover screen provides quick access to notifications and controls without having to unfold the phone. Designed for durability, the water drop hinge is tested to endure over 250,000 folds, ensuring a long-lasting device that withstands the rigors of daily use. Powered by the MediaTek Helio G99, the Blackview Hero 10 offers seamless performance and speed for all your apps and multitasking needs. Capture stunning photos with the 108 megapixels Samsung ISOCELL HM6 camera, which delivers incredible detail and clarity in every shot. The 4000 mAh battery ensures you stay powered throughout the day, and with 45 watts fast charging, you can quickly recharge and get back to your tasks. With 12GB of RAM and 256GB of storage, you'll have ample space and speed for all your files and apps. The Blackview Hero 10 features two-way unlocking and two-fold safeguarding to keep your data secure while offering convenience. Starting at just $429.99, it's a top choice for anyone seeking a reliable and stylish foldable phone at an affordable price. Thanks for watching our roundup of the top 5 best flip phones of 2025. We hope this video helped you find the perfect flip phone for your needs. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech reviews and updates. Let us know in the comments which flip phone caught your eye. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask. Check out the description for more details and links. See you in the next video.